ghost pepper donuts. This is out of the box for Dunkin' Donuts. It's different. It's like nothing you've ever heard before. So I bought 2 ghost pepper donuts. Stick the bag over there. See, I don't know if the ghost pepper is gonna sneak up on you, if it's gonna creep up on you, or if it's just gonna scare you. So what I did is I got some 2% milk, trying to lay off the fat. So I got some milk to wash it down. So without further ado, first I'm gonna break it. This stuff is fresh. See that? That's fresh. Then I'm gonna try it to see how hot it is. Ooh, let's go. Ooh. Ooh. So, with the strawberry crystals sugar and that heat, and it's like medium heat, you get that nice sugary strawberry taste, and then that heat just sneak up on you. So rate from 1 to 10, out the box, nice flavor, medium heat. So if you don't like heat, you can try it. It's good. I'd give it a 8.5. Dunkin' Donuts, perfect. Good job. This is good stuff. This is good stuff. Dunkin' Donuts ghost pepper donut. Boo. Thanks for watching Crazy Creative Kitchen. Stay tuned for the vibe.